ever since the first time you opened up my world, I just can't seem to close my eyes and sleep. I'm locked inside this daydream, don't need any saving. But I need you to wake me when I fall asleep. I'm dreaming that you think of me. But if you're just too cool, I won't be a fool. Oh, when I fall asleep, I'm dreaming that you think of me. But if you're just too cool, I won't be a fool. Ever since the first time you opened up my world, I just can't seem to close my eyes and sleep. I'm locked inside this daydream, don't need any saving. But I need you to wake me up. Need you to wake me up. Falling asleep, girl, won't you wake me up? I hope you're thinking of me. Oh, won't you wake me? Oh, won't you wake me up?
I haven't thought about you in a while. I haven't thought about that beautiful smile and how it used to make my heart go wild, wild. You looked deep into my eyes, and all I could think was, why did I have to fall for you this time? And I know things have changed, and I know that we're not the same, but I just really need to know how you're gonna treat me. I need to know if you can really make me happy. I need to know that I won't be lonely. I need to know before I call you baby. Baby, I need to know before I call you baby. You're really funny, I can't deny, but I wanna know what goes on inside that wonderful, wandering mind. I know I'll go and try to break down every wall, but I'm not like that at all. I know I'll make it hard, but I'll never change that. And I know we'd be great, but please, please get this straight. I just really need to know how you're gonna treat me. I need to know if you can really make me happy. I need to know that I won't be lonely. I need to know before I call you baby. Baby, I need to know before I call you baby. You seem fine, but how do I know I want you to be mine? How do I know you're what I'm looking for? Well, sorry, I just have to make sure. I just really need to know how you're gonna treat me. I need to know if you can really make me happy. I need to know that I won't be lonely. I need to know before I call you baby. Baby, I need to know before I call you baby. Baby, baby, I need to know before I call you baby.
myself, I'm doing fine. I don't need help, just need a little time. And I've been so patient, quietly waiting for someone my type to come over. But maybe I won't ever be enough. Maybe I'm not meant to find love. Cause maybe if I was, there would have been someone already in my life. When is it my turn? Cause all my friends are falling in love. My turn. Been waiting just a little too much for someone to tell me I'm the one. When is it my turn to feel a little love in my life? My turn. Cause I've been feeling lonely at night, wondering if my question's being heard. When is it my turn? Cause I've been trying not to be complicated, let them understand how I'm operating. Or maybe I'm a little awkward lately and I don't know what I should do. Another year and I'm still alone. My mom's the only one who ever rings my phone, asking when I'm gonna find the one to hold. When I have been wondering too, wondering who's gonna come out of the blue, love me like I ever knew. My turn. Say I'm the one that they choose, say that they'll love me and they'll never move on. That's all I want, but no one comes. No. When is it my turn? Cause all my friends are falling in love. My turn. Been waiting just a little too much for someone to tell me I'm the one. When is it my turn to feel a little love in my life? My turn. Cause I've been feeling lonely at night, wondering if my question's being heard. When is it my turn? When is it my turn? Been waiting for my dreams to come true, but my wishes never seem to go through. Wondering if I ever hear those words.
It feels like the end of an era, the last time that we'll be together. Might sneak up on us overnight. We're all grown up, moving along. We're all finding where we belong. You never know when we'll say goodnight for the last time. So